Welcome to MoneyFlow Vision on Thursday, August the 1st. This video illustrates how we set up our MoneyFlow Pure stock ideas that you have received today. Before we begin, this is not investment advice. Please seek the counsel of a financial professional before investing. Investing in stocks, futures, options, and currencies carry risks that can result in loss. We're going to start off with our APH stock. As you can see, through the MoneyFlow Pure subscription service, we've offered you the entry, stop, the target, the first target, and the second target. We're going to explain to you briefly why we've chosen this. First and foremost, we love these plays. If you've been following us for a while now, then you understand that these gap retracements are phenomenal if you have the patience to wait them out. Now, the theory behind gap retracements are that any strong movement or irrational movement away from price should be corrected. So we wait for these type of trades. They're strong. They're high probable opportunities. We've identified an entry price of $79.91, which is higher than today's close. And we want a little more confirmation on that. We have identified the stop at $77.61, and we've identified this stop simply because there's a lot of noise within this level here. As you can see, I'm running my mouse back and forth so that you understand that it's possible that price may not move straight up or in a straight line like it did in this area. So we want to be prepared and compensate for the personality or the vibration, so to speak, of this particular stock. Now, if you take this idea, which we expect price to run back up to the origination of that move. Okay? We are going to place a target that is just under that low. We're going to place it at 83.95. That's target one. And if there's enough momentum within the investment, we feel that 85.48 is a reasonable target there afterwards. Our second idea that we've offered you this evening is Lululemon. Now, we've waited over a month, if not 2 months, for this idea. And it all happened on that day where the CEO quit due to after Lululemon reported earnings, and she quit because of that whole see-through or sheer pants fiasco. And to be quite honest, from our perspective, we don't mind a few women wearing some see-through pants around town. And you know what? We're going to make some money trading this stock as well. So the theory again behind the gap retracements, the gap retracement plays, is that all irrational moves must be corrected at some point in time. We've waited a long time for this. Finally today, our stock alert went off. We have identified an entry point at 71.52. And we're willing to lose or willing to forego, and we're going to place a stop at 68.89. So you understand that the stop loss is a little bit wider than normal because this position we feel it's going to take a little bit longer to get to its target. And because the stock market itself has been on such a run, we want to be able to compensate for any vibrations or the personality or any little minor corrections in the stock. Once price moves above 71.52, we feel that a good entry point is available. And again, our first target here is at 77.61, which is just below these buyers here on June 6th. Our second target is just below the point of origination after Lululemon reported earnings. So we're going to place our second target at 80.71. Now, we're going to have a series later on for our MoneyFlow Vision subscribers on how to properly play these gaps. If you've never done one before, don't roll through with a big inventory or buy a lot of shares. Just test it out. And if you feel that you don't want to test it out and you want to put it on your demo account, that's all right too. Just watch, and you can sit on the sidelines. We really, really love these plays because, again, nothing's perfect. Nothing is 100%. However, there's a high probable scenario that these trades will work out. And the risk of, we'll call it, $2.50 or a little bit less than $2.50 for the reward of, $6 on the first leg, and then an additional $2 after, or $3 after that, you're looking at a $9 opportunity here. We think it's well worth the risk. We've waited a while for it. We like the stock now, and we love this short-term opportunity. Thank you for stopping by The Wealthy Bucket.